Hello there. I just want to show the overview and how this web application works. The idea is just from a manufacturing company. They have different units whereby they produce different things, different products from different units. So each person is responsible for is the head of a unit. So I base this web application idea on that. So these are the units: agronomy, fisheries, feed mill, honey. These are the units. So they produce different things from the unit. So they have the user can we have the user, we have the staff, and we have the admin. The admin is the super user. So the admin, all the staff and the admin can also be a default user. So this currently logged in user is a user and an admin. So the user can have access to this home. It can have access to the dashboard. Dashboard it's just basically showing all the recent purchases. So you can filter by unit, and you can it's just going to show the units on this chart. You can drop some. This is basically done using am charts. It's a JavaScript library, so you can select and toggle different units you just want to view if you want to view a single unit. And it has a message, notification, profile, contact setting functionality. This message is just maybe a particular staff in a particular unit wants to message the user, so the user can come here. So it's just some dummy message I sent from a user, and this notification it's going to show when a particular product has been added for a particular user. From a particular staff added a product for a particular user, so it's going to pop up as a notification, so the person can always edit the it's going to pop up as a notification. So this is basically it. And the admin dashboard, the admin is the super user, can have access to every single database and also have the access to the admin panel provided by Django defaults. So this is basically the home. You can have access to the products, the most sold products between the span of 16 to this is a week span, and you can also search using this search. Let us say just want to search, so you can search, and this is going to bring the graph of your revenue and sales update. And this is the sales. Basically it's just the sales tab of it keeps track of what you've sold. You can check today, you can check yesterday, you can check last week, and you can also select it, filter from and to. You can check recently, and you can also filter the units, and you can also filter the product. So the reason why the product is more than unit is because this each unit can have like 3 different products being manufactured there. So that's basically how it works. And also the customer tab is just to show all the customers. These are just the dummy customers are added. You can view particular detail of the particular customer. You can check the total revenue. It's going to bring out the details. This is the super user's power, the admin power. So you can check the feedback and log at. And let us jump to the staff dashboard. The staff is basically a user also. So the staff, once you go to the staff dashboard, the staff can check his customers, his activities, and also the specific ability of his task is to add products for any customer. You can set to add the products, maybe customer has made the purchase and you want to add purchase, you just come down here and you can add the item, and the only each staff can have access to only the unit, only the products being manufactured in its units. Like this staff is having access to only these four items because these are the items that are manufactured by that staff in its unit. So the staff cannot have access to other products that are manufactured in other units. So that's basically the way I restricted it inside the views.py. So you can add the quantity. If you want to add description, you can toggle it on, toggle it off. I'm using rich text editor because in case you want to add a table or you want to add some special information. So basically that's the way it works. And I used all lots for my authentication for the user, but for the admin and the super user, I created a different authentication for that. I used Django REST framework to serialize let's go back to serialize the data that have been passed here, and the work of Django REST framework, and I used the AM charts to do this. I used Tailwood CSS for styling, and I used uh, that's basically everything about it. I hope you like it. Thanks very much. And thank you. And also, this is just an idea that I have in my head. So you can, just to give me feedback, it will appreciate it. So different, you can check out the GitHub repo for the source code. Thank you.